Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete the Bluetooth history on your any car. So in this topic I'll show you on my car, Volkswagen Golf. So if you have like recently bought a car and the old owner have their like Bluetooth history or Bluetooth sync to their phone, it will be kind of annoying to have it. So in order to delete it, so what you have to do is head up to your screen, and from here you will click on the media section here. Once you have clicked that, so you will see on the bottom right corner a setting logo here. You just need to head up and click on it, and then you will click to the Bluetooth section here, and after that it will interface like this. What you have to do is you have to click on connected devices. Basically on this I have a different language, that's why I'm translating. So click on this, which is bottom of your name. You can even change your name. So click on the here, and then it will appear like that. And if you want to delete, for example, someone's sync phone, all you have to do is click on this logo right here, delete option here. Click on it. I will show you by deleting this, and it will tell you to confirm it. Just click confirm, and then just like that, so it has been deleted successfully. So you can see here. So I hope this video was helpful, but I will catch you in the next one.